Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting what you need. This saves time and prevents lockouts. Check your email, phone, and any link services and make sure you can receive codes. Export critical data now, contacts, saved drafts, and subscription details, because once you switch settings, they may not sync. Once done, log out of non-essential devices and create a recovery plan. This reduces the chance of losing access while you make the change. You now perform the actual switch inside account settings, navigate to privacy or account type, and select switch to personal. Follow the prompts to update primary email and phone, and verify each change with the provided code. Make sure you adjust display name and profile details so they match your intended personal identity. While you work, review third-party app permissions and revoke anything irrelevant. This prevents unexpected data sharing after the switch. Once verified, continue to billing and subscription checks. Finish by confirming every verification succeeded. Sign in on a secondary device to verify access and sync. You should double-check contacts, calendars, and saved items. Make sure subscriptions and billing reflect your personal status. If something fails, don't panic. Use recovery codes first, then submit a support request with precise error messages and timestamps. If you get locked out, wait for the specified cooldown and avoid repeated attempts. Repeated failures can extend delays and complicate recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.